Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of this channel, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to sign up on KuCoin. So a little tutorial for you guys to learn how to sign up on this website so that you can start trading cryptocurrencies using KuCoin. So first of all, what we're going to be doing is that we're going to be clicking, when you arrive on the KuCoin website, we're going to be clicking on the sign up section of the website. Then you'll have two options. You will be either choosing the phone option so that you can register on your phone. Otherwise, you can go for email if you want to go for an email. So in this case, we're going to go for the email option, which we're going to be using here. Now we're going to send the code, which will result in, Okay, so now that we are good to go with our wallet that's created, our account is connected, it's created, it's available, then we can, select what currency we want to be using. In this example, as we are an international channel, I'm going to use the USD so that it makes things easier for you guys to get. As you can see, one cool thing in KuCoin's organization is the fact that they diversify. They actually created categories inside of their market page so that people can, filter what they want, so that if you want to, you can click on NFT and then you're going to see all the cryptos that are related to NFTs. So you have the NFT crypto, you have the Sand, that's related to the sandbox. We talked about that in one of our previous videos, if you guys saw it, about the sandbox. Same for Mana, which is related to Decentraland, and so on. And so you have many cryptos related to the NFT world. We can do the same with DeFi, and then you're going to access to all the cryptos that are related to DeFi websites. So that, for example, the Link, which is related to BlockFi, Uni, which is the official crypto of Uniswap website, and so on. And so you can really select all the kinds of cryptos you want to be buying. So nothing new here, but pretty cool interface. So same here with Altcoins. Here you have KuCoin Plus, which are, I suppose, these are the special cryptos that they have on the website that you aren't going to be finding everywhere. I don't really know. Then you have the price comparison, which here is compared to BTC, or you can select USD if you're more familiar with the principle of getting your crypto in USD, and so on. And so it is pretty cool for that, in the way that you can really filter the cryptos you want to be getting. You can also check the support margin trading options. If you want some more details, you can also go and select settings so that you can, do whatever works the best for you in terms of, filter and more precise informations. Now you have other tools on the website that are pretty cool. You have the leverage tokens, which are basically, like, it's the same principle as if you were investing in a stock, which means that you can literally get leverage, and then you can, increase your percent margin in terms of profit on every single crypto that's in this list. Well, you also take the risk of getting negative, like you can lose more money, obviously, if you actually get into that. But that's the chain. I mean, that's game. It's all it is, and it's increased leverage, no loans, no liquidations, which means that it's pretty much good profit for you. And as you can see, you can do up to 3 times long LTC or ETH or EOS, and so you can leverage per 3 times you're gonna get 3 times more leverage than if you would invest in a regular ADA or ETH or VeChain investment, and so it's pretty cool. It's a good way, I guess, to develop new strategies of investing in cryptocurrencies, and so I guess this is one of the cool things that you can do on KuCoin. And now you also have the trading bots, which, as you guys probably understood in the name, is basically going to offer the possibility to, kill volatility, sell high, buy low, and this, automation of crypto investments, as you would find in, stock trading or forex trading. That is pretty much the same as what you would find on eToro, with the principle of copying other traders or using trading bots. I am not a huge fan of that principle, because I believe if you want to learn and if you want to become a better investor investing into cryptos, then it's definitely not the good option to go for. What you would do instead is, get experience by investing yourself, trying to figure out what kind of investor you are, and getting into a more personal experience is going to make you becoming a better investor. Instead of, using a bot that's probably accurate, it's probably working well, but it doesn't mean it's the best option to go for. It really depends on the kind of investor you are, the profile you have. If you're someone who just doesn't want to stare a single second at KuCoin, then it's probably something you could consider, so that you can do your things and just see the profits when you want to see them, and never come to the platform checking in, checking out what's coming up, and then it's probably a good thing to do. Otherwise, you'll be better off your way if you invest yourself and try to get in. So it's probably going to become a better opportunity to go for. Now you have the possibility to do crypto lending or staking, as you guys probably know. Right now you have some pretty insane rates if you go check what they have in that section of the website. So first of all, you need to enable the margin trading, which you need to agree to, and then you're going to access. There's 500 USDT worth of free interest coupon inside, which means that you can go borrow 500 USDT at a 0% interest. I'm not going to do that right now, but you guys can. What's interesting though is that if you have one of these cryptos, then you're going to be able to stake them as you would do on any other platform, such as Nixar, or there are tons of them out there, BlockFi, or Goku Market, and so on. And so if, for example, I want to I want to lend some ETH. Let's say I have let's imagine I have one ETH, for example, which I don't, but it's just so you guys can understand a little bit. I'm going to go for 100%, and I'm going to go for 28 days. Here you can set up your interest rate, which has to be between 0% and 0.2%, and then you can see pretty much how much money you can make depending on how much Ethereum you're going to be giving out, and how many days you're going to be doing this. But as you can see, the annualized rate on Ethereum is usually low. Like the highest one they have is if you give out a 73% rate for 28 days, but you need for that to lend up to 18.57 Ethereums, which equals around 72,764 USD, which is a lot of money. You can get some better return of investments if you go for other cryptos. USDT is usually interesting because it's it's not going to go bankrupt. ETH isn't going to go bankrupt either, but what I mean is you can get annualized rate of up to 700%, which is, I gotta say, insane. 729.63% annualized rate for a daily interest rate of 1.99%. 28 days is pretty much what you would need to give out. The period of time you would need to give out your USDT in order to get 729%, and you would get, all you would need to lend is between, you could literally lend $1,000 for an annual return that's that high. So it's pretty insane, as you can see. So it's pretty huge. You can do lots of things with staking on their website too. If you have any lendings, then you can see what's the realized profit, what's the current asset on lending, and what's the accrued interest, total profit on all of your stakings. And so that's pretty much it. Then you can see there are other options you can get on the website in derivatives like Future Pro or Future Bro. If you want to get into, analyzing the market and go into trading. And otherwise on finance, you can also invite friends to register for them to get some, referral. I guess you can get some free crypto, or you can get discounts. Anyway, we're going to go share this link in the description so that you guys can make the most out of it and get started in KuCoin with our referral link. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. If it's the case, then go smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, let us know in the comment section what you thought, what is your experience on KuCoin, if you ever invested on their platform, and see you guys in our next video. Bye-bye.